the mass just ended, and the church is there. That was destructed by the strong earthquake. Remember that? And temporarily they are holding their mass in that church, but they're constructing it, trying to restore that church that was built 1753. Sorry, 1753 by the Spaniards, I guess. I'm not really sure, but it's really an old church. We'll see there. We'll have to go there. We'll check what was that church that was destructed by the earthquake. We'll check. Before our parents or your parents must be walking down this aisle. Imagine if I'll have to go back from the old times in walking this aisle. This is really very emotional for me if my parents was married here and walking this aisle. Wow. Sorry. Here, this is part of the church, and at the back, there's a school there. It was Sacred Heart Academy, and it was also completely destructed by the earthquake. But see, at the altar, there are scaffoldings. They're trying to restore this church, as it has been part of the National Historical Landmark for churches since it was established 1753, way back, a very old time. So they are trying to restore this church. Hopefully it could be really restored, because that's part of our history. And I have to go down slowly. This is really a secret place. I'm so sorry, but we're trying to document what's been happening here, so in the future we can be able to see if this church will be restored, and then we can be able to see what was it, how is it after the earthquake, and we'll have to figure out. Hopefully when it will be restored, I can still be here. I will surely go back here so we can see what is being restored, but we'll see soon. But we'll go to other places in Bohol. There are still a lot. This is just my first attraction, but we'll see. There are still a lot of churches that are being restored here in Bohol. That was during the earthquake.